Hey guys, I finally got me a selfie stick, so this is what I'm doing right now. I got my selfie stick with me, so anyway, bear with me. But I'm outside of course, so you might be hearing some noises, but try to not pay attention to that. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all my overall look of my fall decor out on the front porch and in my entryway. Now, again, I didn't do a whole lot because this is more like a budget-friendly type of thing, but I used pretty much everything that I had. And I do have some new items and stuff like that. So, anyway, let's just get started. So, anyway, let me flip you around and I'll still be talking. Seriously, it's not going to do that? Oh gosh, hang on guys, I gotta stop it and then record again. Okay, here I am. So, this is like a truck thingy that we bought like a long time ago. I think we bought it at Kohl's, but I can't remember exactly. But, you know, it's like our fall decor that we use. Sometimes we switch it out with our little kitten, our cat statue, but anyway, this is like a part of our fall decor. And then we have our fall sign. Right here, happy fall, y'all. I am from Texas, so it fits. And my daughter's got some rocks over here on the table that she's painting with a friend, so kind of ignore that. And then right here by the front door, I have my little trusty pumpkin. I kind of had it sitting this way, and somebody else, I guess, fixed it. But anyway, here it is. And then I put a lantern. This is my first time to kind of put a lantern out here, and I thought it was kind of cute, so I put a little lantern there. I don't have it turned on yet. I'm going to try to get a video more in the evening time and everything like that, so you can see it lit up. And then this wreath I made, I guess, about a couple of years ago. And then I put this bow on it today. So, anyway, yeah. So, let's go inside and see what's going on. Okay, so now we're in the front entryway, and as you can see right here at the top on the arch, I have welcome. It's my fall sign. And then down here, my daughter kind of made this little pumpkin-like thingy, and it's kind of cute. It's really cute, and she's got like a tea light in there. It's really cute. And then we have this little guy named, he's called Goober. But anyway, I just inserted some like picks or, you know, some flowers, you know, faux flowers in there. And then I put a bow on it. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. So, you know, that's it. I mean, nothing major. Okay. Yeah, for some reason, my camera, it won't let me, like, I have to stop recording and then flip it over. I don't know, it's weird. But anyway, so this is my fall decorate, my front porch and my entryway with me. I hope you like this kind of content. If you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Karen the Clean. Subscribe, like, share, comment, all the things. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Bye.